All right, number 10, I'm going to ignore this and I'm going to work from here over. Number 10, one thing that I noticed for this one is I only have one term that has the variable by itself. So I do have a couple, well, one, the z's will drop out if I use these two, but I think I'm going to focus on this y. So if I take the top two equations, okay, I am going to eliminate y. So I'm going to do that by multiplying the top by -6. So I get 12x minus 6y minus 18z equals -12. And when I add that together, I end up with 9x minus 18, 19, 20, 21z equals -39. All right, so I'm going to take that and I'm going to put that over here. I've got 9x minus 21z, actually I'm going to put it here. 9x minus 21z equals -39. Okay. I'm going to erase this because I don't have enough space. Sorry about that. But I am going to use this one again. This time I'm going to use oh, I'm looking at the wrong one. I'm like, what the heck is going on? All right, I'm using this one and I'm going to use the last one. -4x plus 3y minus 4z equals -11. And so in order to, I've got to eliminate the y because I don't have a y over here. I'm going to multiply by -3, so this is 6x minus 3y minus 9z equals -6. And so now I've got 2x minus 13z equals -17. So 2x minus 13z equals -17. Okay, this isn't particularly pretty, but that's okay, we've got this. All right, so I think what I'm going to do in order to keep the numbers small, and also I'll just mention this too, sorry, just kind of throwing it in there. I don't know if you noticed that all three of these terms are divisible by 3. So you actually could make these smaller. I'm not going to because chances are people didn't catch that. So I'm just going to do it the way it is, but just something to kind of look out for. All right, I'm going to multiply the top by -2, and I'm going to multiply the bottom by 9. That way, I'm going to eliminate the x's by making this a -18x and this a positive 18x. All right, so -2 times 9x is -18x. This is going to be a positive 42z equals a positive 78, I think. I hope that's right. Kind of doing some of this off the top of my head. Okay, down here then, we have 18x. 9 times 13 is 117, so we have -117z equals 9 times 17 is -153. All right. So now when I add these together, I have -75z equals -75. Isn't that nice? That's so nice. So z equals 1. So I'm going to put that over here. Z is 1. Okay, again, for the sake of space, come back over here. I'm gonna plug this z into, I think I'll do that one. So 9x minus 21 equals negative 39. So now I have 9x equals negative 18, divide by 9, x equals negative 2. And now I just plug in x and z into one of my originals, and I'll get y. So negative 4 times negative 2, oops, look at that, I did it again. One of these, because we're doing number 10, negative 2 times negative 2 plus y plus 3 times 1 is 3. Okay, so I'm just plugging in x and z right here. So this is 4, I'll just skip a step here, 7 plus y equals 2. Subtract 7 from both sides, and I have y equals negative 5. Again, maybe you did this a different way, but this is the way to do number 10. And we will finish it up on the next video.